In this problem, we're being asked to calculate a weighted mean, and we've got some tabular data, and that just means it's data that's in a table. So a weighted mean, if you haven't come across this before, usually it happens when you have data that's grouped like this. This is a study that tried to track the number of children in households, and they came out with 9 households that had no children, 15 that had 2 children, 12 that had 3 children, 4 that had 6 children. When the data is arranged like this, to get an average, it's easiest to do it as a weighted average. I mean, you could, if you wanted to figure out the mean number of children per household, you could figure out how many children there are. That wouldn't be just adding these numbers up, because there are 15 households with 2 children in them. That means 30 children just on this line. But you could calculate all that out and then divide by the total number of households. The easy way to do that with our weighted mean is to multiply. So this calculation would be 9 times 0 plus 15 times 2, because there are 15 households with 2 children, 9 households with 0 children, plus 12 times 3, plus 4 times 6. That's going to give us all the children. And the 9, the 15, the 12, the 4, we think of those as the weights of these numbers. The weight of having 2 children in a household is 15 in this sample. So we multiply the weights by those values, we add it all up, and of course we have to divide by the total number of households. So we'll divide by 40. So I'm going to pull out my calculator and we'll figure this out. And what I get here is 2.25 children per household on average. So that's a little bit of work with the weighted mean.